Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Dribbble app on your Mac, using a simple and effective method. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, head over to dribbble.com. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on File, then select Add to Dock. A pop-up will appear where you can rename the shortcut if you'd like. I'll just leave it as Dribbble. Click Add, and you'll see the Dribbble icon appear in your dock. Here's where it gets cool. When you click that icon, Dribbble opens in its own window, just like a standalone app. Even if you close Safari, Dribbble stays open and runs independently. Let's try it. I'll quit Safari now. And as you can see, Dribbble is still running perfectly on its own. Now, if you're using an older version of Mac OS and don't see the Add to Dock option, no worries. I've added an alternate method in the description below, and that's it. You've now got the Dribbble app installed on your Mac as a standalone experience. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.